Welcome to Storytime with Chief Cassidy. Today I'm going to be reading My Fire Engine by Michael Rex. I have a fire engine. I fight fires all the time. The alarm is sounding in the firehouse. 4 honks means that there is a fire we have to put out. I slide down the pole in a hurry. I put on my fire-resistant pants and coat. Then I put on my rubber boots and my leather gloves. I never forget my helmet. The visor protects my face. Dressing takes less than a minute. I jump into the pumper engine and we're off. The siren blares to let people know we're coming. The aerial ladder truck is right behind us. We drive quickly, but very safely. A house is on fire. We get there just in time. Firefighters carefully enter the house to look for people. The ladder crew breaks windows and makes holes in the roof to let out the heat, smoke, and poison gas. My crew and I start spraying the fire. The engine carries 750 gallons of water. That's equal to 25 full bathtubs, but we need more. We hook up a supply hose to a fire hydrant. The pumper engine pumps 1,000 gallons per minute. The aerial truck has raised its ladder, and a firefighter is rescuing the family. The ladder can be raised to 100 feet. That's about 3 houses high. We spray and spray until the fire is under control. Everyone is safe, except for the family's pet. I put on my air mask, grab an axe, and run into the house. Inside, there's smoke and steam. I use the axe to knock down a bedroom door. I find the pet. The fire is out. The house can be repaired, and even the pet is safe. Now it's time to clean up and put my fire engine away. Until next time. The end. For Storytime, I'm Chief Cassidy.